Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video we're gonna show you around the hotel that we are staying in here in Bali, Indonesia. It's the Bali Nusa Dua Hotel. We're gonna have our breakfast first, then afterwards we're gonna show you around, so stay tuned. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Breakfast. Oh, coffee. Nice.
Thank you.
Kasih. Ini apa pun itu? Tawagin dito sosis. Sausage. Sosis. Water.
Sarap ng fried rice. Gusto ko na. At masarap ang ko sa iba-ibang flavor. May matcha, may chocolate, tapos yung plain lang.
Grilled chicken bacon. Malat. Ano naman pag bacon, malat. Misoto. Sotomi? Misoto. Sotomi. Malat din. Buffet eh. With all you can. Side up. Okay.
Honeydew pudding, fruits. Ang sarap ng orange juice niya.
Fruits. Inom ako orange juice. Busog na ako. Ngayon ako nakain. Siya kakain pa siya ng fruits.
Yes. Sarap. Masarap yung mga fruits nila dito.
Right, so this is the outside of the hotel. So dito yung kalsada. Tapos may gate doon. Yung gate is down there. Actually ito is a convention center. This one. Then ito paakyat papuntang lobby. Then this is the hotel. Ito yung entrance ng hotel. Then exit is going down here. Then may gate. Meron siyang gate dyan. So dalawang building siya yung hotel. So on the reception, so side by side, merong ditong building, yung isang building, then the other one is on the right side. Then when you enter the hotel, so reception area, so here the structure of the reception area. Yan. Para siya mga bloke-bloke na nagpatong-patong. Yan, reception area. So ito yung sinasabi ko na isang building. So isang tower. Kasi dalawa siya. Yan. Tapos on the other side naman, so this is the other side, other building. Then when you enter here, have the lobby lounge. So merong piano, then there's the chairs and tables where you can sit and relax for a while. Pero ngayon mainit eh, kasi it's already 10:42 in the morning. Then ito yung mga rooms. So dito yung room namin, second floor. So yung room na ano, kasi medyo magulo ngayon yung room. Yung first night namin ng pagdating namin, yun na lang ilagay kong room. Then yung overlooking ng pool, ito yun.
Okay.
Ito yung room. Magulo. Ayan. Overlooking. Then sa baba, yung restaurant and yung spa and swimming pool. So let's go to the first floor. So you can take the lift or take the stairs. So we choose the lift. So yan. So first floor is restaurant and spa, then yung swimming pool, then second floor is lobby kung saan tayo galing kanina, then level 3 is the rooms, and level 5 also. So you've seen the spa, then now I'm inside the gym. Mga dalawang treadmill, mga dumbbell. Tapos ergometer, bicycle ergometer. Yan. Tapos sa labas, yung massage, parang massage, ano yung massage room? Sige lang. Tapos may massage room dito. Relaxing area. Mainit. May prayer. Ayan. So here now is the pagkagaling nyo ng spa. So here is the spa. Then going to the restaurant is just turn right here. Then go in there. Then yung swimming pool is on the right side. So basically nasa likod, bandang likod siya ng lobby, yung reception area. Ito na yung kanina Yung tayo galing. Doon ako naglakad kanina papunta dun sa lobby lounge. Then so yung buildings, two sides of the hotel. So this is one side and this is the other side of the hotel. Then yung swimming pool, malaki-laki rin. So meron ding kiddie pool. Kiddie pool ba to? Oh, 0.3 meters lang So ito. Ayan. Then ito yung restaurant. Then yung parang meron siyang coffee shop. Ayan. Pwede mag-relax, may mga upuan, may chairs. Then yung swimming pool again. Ayan. I'm gonna show you around. Ilang meters kaya ito? Wala, hindi ko pa nakita yung Usually merong babaw lang naman siguro. Mamaya ako makapag-swimming, pwedeng i-try. So yung hotel room, so dalawang option. It's either poolside view or garden view. So yung sa amin is poolside, yung kanina doon. Mamaya pakita ko. Okay, dito na lang. So for example, yung hotel na napili, yung room na napili mo is poolside. So your rooms will be located here. Then overlooking siya ng pool. Tapos yung garden naman, so dito yan sa likod. Garden view. So two sides, yung isang building, so both left and right din yung room. So yung isa poolside, then yung isa garden. So ito yung garden view. Yan. So your rooms will be located on this side, then facing the garden. So yung sa amin is yung poolside. Ikutin na natin ulit. So yung beachfront is located on this side. So kanina nung pinakita ko yung kalsada, lalakad ka lang diretso pa ganun. Merong access, not directly from the hotel. Merong maliit na iskinita doon na pwedeng daanan beside the Sofitel Hotel. Then around maybe 5 to 10 minutes walk lang. Then mararating na yung beach area. Pero meron din yung talagang beachfront na 5-star hotel. So yung napili namin is dito lang kasi 5-star din to, pero mas mura. Siyempre hindi siya beachfront, pero maganda pa rin siya. Then meron ditong elephant. I think this is an elephant. So yan, elephant statue where maybe you can have your prayers. Yeah. Then walk around. So this is the other side, other building, yung hotel. So rooms yan mga yan, then facing the pool side. Then yung garden view naman, same din, sa likod siya. So yung room is one side facing the pool, and then yung rooms naman again on the other side, this one, then facing the garden. So this is the garden, yung isang side ng building yan. So yan yung mga rooms, then facing the garden view. So there you go. I've shown you the layout and the different amenities and services of this hotel can offer, and hopefully nakatulong ito sa mga gustong pumunta here in Bali, Indonesia. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and we'll see you again on the next video.